Before starting an advanced search, it is important to become familiar with the metadata linked to entities, as these will be necessary to refine your search. To view them, click on the title of the publication you are interested in. You will then be redirected to that publication's detail page. Next, click on the three-dot icon, then select Show All Metadata. You will now see all metadata related to the entity. From there, you can identify the fields you want to use in your search. For example, you might want to look at the publication's DOI or its language. We can now proceed with the advanced search. To do this, return to the home page, then click on Search the repository. Advanced search can be done in several ways, depending on the metadata you use and with the help of different operators. It is particularly useful when you want to search using criteria that are not available through the simple search filters. For instance, if you want to find a publication containing a PMID and a DOI, you can enter a query like this. You can adapt and combine the criteria according to your specific needs.